Hello students, welcome to the third session of this poetry As a Son My Daughter written by Sampurna Chatterjee, which is also prescribed for third semester BSc students in their general English syllabus by Bangalore North University. In this session, we are going to study some of the words which have been used in this poem, and we'll also see the grammatical components of those words, and we check the similar words of the main word. Let's begin with the word upbringing. Upbringing is a noun. The treatment and instruction received by a child from its parents throughout its childhood. The care and training of young children. The similar words of upbringing are rearing and raising. The next word is gender roles. The meaning of gender role is the role of or behavior learned by a person as appropriate to their gender, determined by the prevailing cultural norms. And the third word is fierce. Fierce is an adjective having or displaying an intense or ferocious aggressiveness, showing a heartfelt and powerful intensity. Some of the similar words of fierce are ferocious, savage, and vicious. Next word is sorceress. Sorceress is a noun which means a woman who practices magic. Come to the next word, towering. Towering is an adjective. The meaning of towering is extremely tall, especially in comparison with the surroundings. We'll move to the next word, that is split the gene. Split the gene means here an interrupted gene. It is a gene that contains expressed regions of DNA. Next one is remorseless. Remorseless is an adjective. The meaning of remorseless is without regret or guilt, relentless. Similar meanings are heartless or pitiless. Even we can take other meaning of remorseless is continuing in a way that does not end or that seems impossible to stop. Next one is binary combination. Binary combination here is a number system based only on the numerals 0 and 1. We call it as computer language. Move to the next word, that is radiant. Radiant is an adjective. The meaning of radiant is sending out light, shining or glowing brightly. Similar words of radiant are shining, bright, illuminated. Next word is rare intelligence. It's an adjective. The meaning of rare intelligence here is a sharp mind or high level of intelligence. Next move to the next word, that is miniature. Miniature is an adjective, a very small of its kind, represented on a smaller scale. Similar meaning of this miniature word are small scale or scale down. Let's have multiple choice questions based on this session. What is the meaning of the word sorceress? A woman who practices magic, a beautiful woman, the priest, the poet. The answer is a woman who practices magic. The binary combination numbers are dash 10, 11, 0, 1, 20, 30, 20, 23, 10 and 100. The answer is 0 and 1. The ratio intelligence defined as dash an average intelligence, dull, sharp intelligence, madness. Answer would be a sharp intelligence. Which word is similar to upbringing? Whether it's a teenage, childhood, adulthood, or old age? The answer is childhood. Let's have the antonym of the word miniature. Antonym is opposite meaning of the word. That is, miniature opposite is whether it's a small, big, tiny, or giant. The answer is giant. In this session, you have been acquainted with the words which are being used in this poem. For example, gender roles, fears, upbringing, etc. You also learned the grammatical components of those words. Here, time to say goodbye. Thank you for listening. We'll meet in our next session. Thank you.